This is a video early 20 something, I'm not exactly sure. But it's a demo of example 8. And let me open Safari because mail is all jumbled up for me. So I'm going to open Safari and go to my Google Mail. And I got to get the files for example 8 before I can demo example 8. Here we are in mail. Oh my goodness. And now I want to search for it so I can do CS2124. That Dr. England, he always puts 2124 up front, so it's easy to search for stuff. EXAMPLE space 8. And there it is, 2124 example 8. It's got 3 files, and that's the reason it's got its very own demo, is because this is our first example program that's in more than one file. I'm going to control click on this, control click, and save linked file as, you can't read all that, but that's a shortcut to CS2 May 2021. So I've already got a folder for this class. What I don't have, I want to make a brand new folder for each individual project that has several files. So inside this, I'm going to make a new folder called EX08, just for example 8 all by itself. And I don't want to name my file 0. I don't know why they do that. I want this to be tv.h. Please, and save it into example 8 folder. This is EX08 itself. Control click EX08.cpp, EX08.cpp, EX08.cpp. It does, thank goodness, navigate back to the same folder, and the name of the file is EX08.cpp. So that should also go in example 8 folder automatically. Control click tv.h, download linked file. No, this is tv.cpp. Not 0, tv.cpp, and it is putting it, you way grayed out over here. You can see the 2 files I just downloaded, and it's putting it in example 8, the new folder I just now made. I know I'm going through this quickly. You might want to go back and review this more than once. That's all I need that email for, so now I'm going to quit Safari, get out of here, and from here you pretty much know the routine. Working on a Mac, you browse over to where your source code is. Well, mine is DOCUMENTS, and the folder for this class is CD, I need quotes because it's got spaces in it, CS2 May 2021. What else you got? LS, there it is, there's example 8 directory. I just now made it, just now put stuff in there. CD EX08 LS, there they are, And then to compile and link and run the program, well, let's compile first, shall we? G++ space, and it's not just EX08.cpp. I now have more than one source code file, but I only put the .cpp files. Any .h files better be pulled in by #includes inside the programs. So I don't need to, and I don't want to put tv.h on here, just tv.cpp. And cross the fingers as always, and no errors. No news is good news. ./a.out. And there it is. It ran. Produced a bunch of output. Now, I'm not explaining example 8 in this video. This is just how you run it, and I just ran it. And there's all the output that's produced. Let's look at the files for just a second. Let me just show you, because you probably haven't used the Sublime text editor this way before. Whoops. Close all this. They were open from a previous run. So let me open Sublime again. There. That's all clean and bright and new. Now I'm going to go to File, Open. And I should have to navigate over here. See, I should have to do this. I'm sorry. I did a practice run and it still got it from the previous run. But here I am in my CS2 directory. Here's example 8. And you can shift and select several files at once. I can't talk, but I can shift and collect several files at once. All 3 of these, don't open a.out, good heavens, that is a massive machine code file. So now I open these, and here's what I wanted to show you. I've got all 3 of these files open at the same time, which is good. All 3 of these are part of the same program, and I can work on any one of them I want. Let me say that, let's see, what am I going to do? Let's affect the output somehow. The first thing it says is, howdy from the TV constructor. I'm going to change it so that it says, howdy from the one and only TV constructor. There, I made a change to my program. And you can tell that because there's a dot here instead of an X. I want to save it. I can do that with Command S. And keep an eye on me. Blank, 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 blank. Let's run it again. And I'll see my brand new message. You know where I'm headed with this, don't you? What? Wait. Howdy from the one and only? No, it just says howdy from the TV constructor. And mysteriously, it says that twice. Just to make me feel bad. Okay, here's the deal. You know this. You were yelling at me. I could hear you. Blank, 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 blank. You got to compile again. I saved a new version of the source code, but there's no new version of the machine code. So I got to compile it again. And then the a.out it. That's a verb, you know. A.out it. Now, let's scroll up. Cross our fingers. Look at this. Howdy from the one and only One TV Constructor. You know, that's enough. I really just wanted to show how to run a multi-file project that you downloaded from your email, and now you know all about that. All the rest of the stuff about all three of these files, oh my goodness, that is covered at great length and excruciating detail in other videos. So I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to quit Sublime Text. I'm going to quit the terminal. I'm going to get the heck out of Dodge. I'll see you online.